Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to continue our Python Scikit-learn course. Okay, let's create a new cell, and after new cell we in the next lesson, past lesson, scatter the plot, and you're now going to training our model. What is training? Training in the machine learning or neural network, you aren't going to give the code all the things. Now let me give you a little theory. What we do in machine learning or neural network or anything else, we are going to create some coefficient. These coefficients is important for us. Why? In this kind of programming, what we are going to do, we create some coefficient and don't give them a number or data. What we do by our coding is that we want our computer or program to make this coefficient minimal or maximal and make them the best choice. Okay, let's training the data. Create a new cell and paste the code here. In the Scikit-learning linear regression, what is important is that you create a model at first. Model is equal to linear model dot linear regression. This is the line of code I find from the document, and it's also important what it do. But it create a linear regression model, and then we fit our model to our data. When we fit our model to our data, it's going to try and find the line that is well supported our data. And then we can predict our model by using ypred model.predictDataX. Let's run it. And if we now print ypred, it creates an array of data that predicting the oil price. Now, let's scatter our data to see how our data is working, how our answers are working. Okay, let's scatter them. Wait a little. We have something wrong. What we have? I don't understand what the error is. Let's just delete this line. Then we have the problem. Okay, let's see if we here have the problem or not. Let's see if we have the problem here or not. Okay, here have the problem too. Why this thing happening? Okay, let's go and see. What is the problem? Finding the problem is the way the programmer can. Let's see how I can zoom it out. I do something stupid and okay, reset. That's nice. Let's go and see what is the problem saying. What is it saying? Data X is data X. I think it's right. This is data X. Ypred is ypred. Let's see if data X ypred len. Let's see if the lens are right. Oh, sorry, I forget something. Len data x. These two are similar. Type, let's see if the types are wrong. Type y bread. Oh, y bread numpy.array type data x. Oh, they are different in type and we must convert them to each other. That's becoming hard. Let's go and see how to. Let's just search how to convert this to this. Okay, it says something. Let's open this site and see what we can do. Okay, this site is not what's happening, I don't know. Import NumPy, import pandas. Dev to NumPy. No, they are giving us something that I don't really like. But we find the problem. Now we must solve it. Okay, because this lesson is going to consume more time that I prepared, your exercise for the next lesson is to see how to convert these two types of data for our program to work. Okay, after that what we do, I see you in the next course, next lesson. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you can't solve this problem, I solve it in the next lesson absolutely. Just wait until then. Have a good day.